Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. What's up? Today, magkakaroon tayo ng first impression review. So, first time kong gagamitin tong product na to. It's very affordable. 149 pesos lang siya. And this is Glamworks Skin Perfector BB Cream Stick. Ito siya. Actually, dalawang klase sila. Meron sila yung BB Cream, but this one is the stick. So, I got the shade Light Ivory. Sabi dito sa likod, so this BB stick is an all-in-one, easy-to-use, non-messy stick that helps improve and conceal skin imperfection. This matte finish, yun pa maganda. Nung nakita ko to kasi sabi niya matte finish siya. So, hindi naman ako all about the matte kasi gusto ko rin ng a little dewy. Pero, my skin will do that for me kasi I have an oily skin. So, yun. Leaves your skin natural, smooth, and flawless. So, it conceal, corrects, brightens, and even out skin tone. So, pag binuksan nyo yan, ayan, para siyang lipstick type ang container niya. Ilalagay ko na to sa aking mukha. I'm gonna start with this side na lang. Beforehand, guys, bago ako naglagay, I have my eye cream and I also have my moisturizer. Nag-toner ako. So, I'm just gonna spread this all over my face. Maganda kaya siya sa sponge application. Yan siya. Just gonna spread this. Ang bango niya. In all fairness, it's not matte finish. Maglalagay pa ako a bit more. Go close up for you to see yung aking mga blemishes. As you can see guys, hindi siya matte finish at all kasi it has dewiness. Actually, mas matte pa nga tong right side ng aking mukha kaysa dito. Kasi nagkaroon siya ng a little shine, especially on my cheeks. Kung na-conceal niyo yung aking mga blemishes, actually, hindi. It does brighten the skin, nakakapag-bright siya, pero concealing, hindi masyadong gaano. Parang medyo uneven niya naman yung skin tone ko, as you can see. Pasensya na kayo, kumukha akong bagong gising kasi I am bagong gising. So, I'm just gonna apply this on the rest of my face. Bumalik ako, guys, kasi gusto ko makita nyo yung finish after powder, guys. So, nilagyan ko to ng powder. Powder pa lang ang nilalagay ko. And it's actually so pretty. Ang ganda. Tapos na ako mag-makeup. Ito na yung aking ordinary makeup lang naman. And so far, so good. I love the BB cream. It's so natural looking. Talagang it brighten up my skin. Nakita nyo naman yung itsura ko kanina nung bagong gising ako. Talagang walang kabuhay-buhay. But now, super buhay na siya. If it's a matte finish, absolutely not. Kasi I can see some dewiness in this area. Which I like. Kasi, yun nga, nakakabata tingnan. Anyway, so far, I love it. It's now, it's now 8:41. Nakikita nyo ba? Ayan. 8:41 in the morning. And I'm gonna get back to you later on for an update. Hi guys, I'm back. It's now 1:54. Di na naman kita. Ayan, 1:54 ng hapon. So, it's been 5 hours since nilagay ko yung BB cream sa mukha ko. And so far, okay naman siya. Andun pa rin siya. It looks so bloomy. Hindi pa masyadong oily. Ito, tolerable pa yan. Hindi pa masyadong oily yan. So far, it's still good. It's still there. Very intact pa yung BB cream. Is until now, medyo blooming pa rin yung BB cream. Still there. And yun lang. So, I will update you guys later on for my final update. And yun. Nasa salon ako. Kasi papaayos akong buhok. As you can see, umaga ngayon, it's because I have not, hindi ako nakapag-final thoughts kagabi. It's because ginabi talaga ako ng bonggang-bongga talaga. But, inabot ako ng 9 o'clock dun sa salon. So, pero maganda doon kasi gumanda yung hair wrap ko. So, eto na siya ngayon. Throughout the day, guys, I didn't have any problems with oil that much. Though sobrang init kahapon na. Also, hindi siya matte finish as yung katulad ng sabi dito sa kanyang box na matte finish. It's not matte finish. Hindi siya fully matte kasi as you can see during my application, talagang dewy yung mukha ko. Pero nung sinet ko na siya ng powder, guys, ang ganda ng finish nitong product na to. Hindi siya full coverage or hindi siya ganun ka-covered ang dating eh. Pinabloom niya yung kutis ko. Nung nilagyan ko siya ng powder, lalong gumanda. And yun. So, if I would recommend this for those who have, you know, large or merong mga pigmentation or discoloration sa mukha, absolutely not kasi it will not cover that at all. Talagang wala siyang coverage. Pero doon sa mga tao na wanted to perfect their skin lang, na want to have a blooming and perfect looking skin without any coverage, this is a good product to try. I would specifically recommend this for those college student na gustong magkaroon ng blooming skin but hindi ganun ka-obvious na meron kang something sa mukha. This is also very affordable. For 149 pesos, it will last you. Marami to eh. Ayan oh. Marami na rin siya. So, affordable. Very affordable siya. Pakita ko sa inyo yung oil ko. Hindi ako nag-blot throughout the day. Pero, at the end of the day, nag-blot ako. So, ito lang yung produce ng aking skin, as you can see. Pero, during that time na yung 8 hours time ko sa salon, ano yun, medyo air condition yun. Pero, hindi ganun kalamig na sobrang lamig. So, tamang-tamang lamig lang. And ito lang ang produce niyang oil. Any downside, yun lang. If you're looking for something that, you know, meron talagang coverage or full coverage, medium coverage, wala siyang ganon. It will just bloom your face. It will brighten your skin. So, absolutely, I love it. I love it. Alam niyo naman ako, medyo di ako masyadong fan of, you know, medium to full coverage type. Ako talagang I'm so into magandang skin, blooming tingnan, ganun ako eh. So, I super love it. I would totally recommend it for you guys. If you're looking for something na pang everyday, at saka if you're a student as well, I would totally recommend this. For 149 pesos, it's all worth it. So yun, basically that's it for my final thought. Kung may mga questions kayo, do not hesitate to ask me in the comment bars. I would be delighted to answer them all for you. If you haven't followed me here sa aking YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and be part of my family. And what else? If you haven't followed me in my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, I'll be linking that in the description box as well. And yeah, basically that's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much guys for watching. Have a great day and happy day too. I'll see you soon. Bye! A little shout out lang sa aking pilikmata, diba? O ano ba? Pilikmata ko ay buhay na buhay. False lashes pa more. Ganda.